how to use TikTok after the ban. Or if you're receiving an error message that says, sorry, TikTok isn't available right now. So we will fix that. So first things first, if users that still has the application on TikTok after the ban, then you can still access it. What you want to do is just to go to your Play Store and look for a reliable VPN. Or you can even subscribe to any strong VPNs out there for you to be able to access it. All you have to do once you already have VPN is change your country or region to a certain country that TikTok operates. Now, the problem is after the ban, you have deleted your app, or some of the users deleted their application. So what you want to do is go ahead and change the country or region on your Google Play Store. So for further instruction on changing the country or region on your Google Play Store, you can visit support.google.com. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do to fix or to use TikTok after the ban.